press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
So today we are discussing about the first PUC probability, that is the fifth class, continuation of exercise 16.3, problem number 8. So problem number 8 is like this. 3 coins are tossed once. 3 coins are tossed one means we will have the sample space H, 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 T, H, T, H, T, H, H, T, T, H, T, H, T, H, T, 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 T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 3, which is equal to 8. Look at the first one. Find the probability of getting 3 heads. So here, n of s is equal to 8. The first one, getting 3 heads. Getting 3 heads, you can call it as E1. E1 is equal to, this is H, H, H like this. So n of E1 is equal to 1. So P of E1, probability of an event E1 is equal to, it is n of E1 divided by n of S, which is equal to 1 divided by H. Second, 2 heads. Getting 2 heads. You can call it as event E2. Look at 2 heads. The possibilities are HHT, HTH, THH, getting 2 heads like this. That is n of E2 is equal to 3. P of E2 is equal to n of E2 divided by n of S, which is equal to 3 divided by H, like this. The third one, at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads. You can call it as E3. Minimum 2 heads. Minimum 2 heads means you can have 3 heads also. At least anta andru anta andre minimum 2 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 2ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 3 ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ ಅಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ H H H H H T H T H T H H at least 2 heads. ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ n of E3 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, P of E3 is equal to n of E3 divided by n of S, which is equal to 4 divided by 8 total, that is 1 by 2 ಅಂತನೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇನೆ ನಂಬರ್ 4, at most 2 heads. At most 2 heads. At most 2 heads ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ maximum 2 heads ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So this is E4 is equal to, we'll start from H H T, ಮೊದಲನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಿಬಲ್ H, because 3 heads ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Maximum 2 heads ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is H T H. Next T H H T T H T T H T H T H T T T T T. ಸೊ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಒನ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಟೂ ಹೆಡ್ಸು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಟೂ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 ಹೆಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು 2 ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ E4 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, P of E4 is equal to N of E4 divided by N of S. That is 7 divided by H. 7 by H. Number 5. No hedge. No hedge. E5. No head ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಡ್ಡೇ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಹೆಡ್ಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟಿ 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 ಟ್ಯಾಗ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ E5 is equal to 1. Therefore, P of E5 is equal to N of E5 divided by N of S. That is 1 divided by H. Six. 3 tiles. 3 tiles. E6 is equal to, that is T T T. 3 tiles. Same thing. So N of E6 is equal to 1. P of E6 is equal to N of E6 divided by N of S, which is equal to 1 divided by H. Next, number 7, exactly 2 tails. Exactly 2 tails. You can call it as E7, event E7. Event E7 is equal to TTH, THT, HTT, like this. N of E7 is equal to 3. Therefore, P of E7 is equal to N of E7 divided by N of S, which is equal to 3 divided by H. Next, number 8, no tail. No tail. You can call this as event H. Event 8 is equal to, that is H, 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 means all 3 are heads. No tail, tail barange illa. So this is N of EH is equal to 1. Therefore, P of E8 is equal to N of E8 divided by N of S, which is equal to 1 divided by H. Number 9, at most 2 tails. At most 2 tails. means maximum 2 tiles. Maximum 2 tiles. ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಟೈಲಿಂದ 2 ಟೈಲ್ಸ್ ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ 0 ಟೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ 3 ಆರ್ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 0 ಟೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. 0 ಟೈಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೈಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 1 ಟೈಲ್ ಇರೋದು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, 2 ಟೈಲ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೆಚ್ ಹೆಚ್ ಹೆಚ್, ಹೆಚ್ ಹೆಚ್ ಟಿ, ಹೆಚ್ ಟಿ ಹೆಚ್, ಟಿ ಹೆಚ್ ಹೆಚ್, ಟಿ ಟಿ ಹೆಚ್, ಟಿ ಹೆಚ್ ಟಿ, ಹೆಚ್ ಟಿ ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 2 ಟೈಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಟೈಲಿಂದ 1 ಟೈಲ್ 2 ಟೈಲ್ ಇರೋಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ E9 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, P of E9 is equal to n of E9 divided by n of S, which is equal to 7 divided by H. Now we'll have, if A is an event, if A is an event and A dash, it's complementary, we call it as not A, complementary of the event A, then P of A plus P of A dash is equal to 1. This is the formula you have to remember. P of A plus P of A dash is equal to 1. A is an event. A dash is its complement, or we call it as not A. Look at the problem number 9. Problem number 9 is like this. If 2 by 11 is the probability of an event, probability of an event means we'll write it as given probability, we denote it as P. P of A is equal to 2 divided by 11, like this. What is the probability of an event not A? Not A denoted as P of A dash. So P of A dash is equal to question mark. Whenever you come across complement or not A, you denote it as A dash. Problem is to find P of A dash, probability of A dash. We know that we will have the formula P of A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A. Transfer P of A to the right hand side. So P of A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A, because P of A plus P of A dash is equal to 1. So transfer P of A to the right side. This is equal to 1 minus P of A. They have given it as 2 by 11. Substitute 2 by 11. Have the LCM. 11 ones are 11 minus 2 divided by 11. So P of A dash means probability of not A is 9 divided by 11. Like this. Look at the 10th question. A letter is chosen at random from the word assassination, ASS, ASS, INATION, assassination. Find the probability of the letter. One is a vowel, second is a consonant. Here, totally, we find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, totally, there are 13 letters. We denote this as N of S. N of S is 13 letters. You count to find N of S. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are called the vowels. So, look at this one, vowels. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. These are 6 vowels. So, the first one, vowels. How many vowels are there? 6 vowels. Therefore, N of V is equal to 6. There are 6 vowels in the given word assassination. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. ಇವು ಉಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇವಕ್ಕೆ vowels ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Therefore, finding the probability P of V is equal to N of V divided by N of S. N of V is 6 divided by 13. Second one, consonants. Consonants. Out of 13, 6 are vowels means remaining are consonants, that is 7. Therefore, N of C is equal to 7. Therefore, P of C is equal to N of C divided by N of S. That is 7 divided by 13 are consonants, which are not vowels. Vowels alde iravukella ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Consonants ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Number 11. In a lottery, a person chooses 6 different natural numbers from 1 to 20. So, from 1 to 20. If these 6 numbers match with the 6 numbers already fixed by the lottery committee, he wins a prize. What is the probability of winning the prize in the game? Anta ide. So this is selection of six numbers. Selection of 6 numbers out of 20 is given by 20 C6 like this. We call it as selections. One is arrangement. Arrangement means it is P, permutation combination. So arrangement means it is P. Here selection, we are selecting 6 numbers out of how many numbers? 20 numbers. So you should write it as 20C6. 20C6 simplification is, you should start it from 20. It is 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Here 6 threes are 18 get cancelled. 4 into 5, this get cancels with 4 5s are 20, and this is 2 1s are 2 8s are get cancelled. Multiply, the remaining terms are 19 into 17 into 8 into 15 are the remaining numbers. If you multiply, you will get 3, 8, 7, 6, 0. This is 26. So simplify like this. Next, number 12. P of A is equal to 0.5. P of B is equal to 0.7. P of A intersection B is equal to 0.6. Now look at here. Here, P of A intersection B is greater than P of A. That is, N of A intersection B is greater than N of A. Okay? ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ and look at P of B. P of B is greater than P of A intersection B. This okay. But this is not holds good. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಲೆಸ್ಸರೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಟೂ sets, one is A is equal to like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is equal to 2, 3, 6, 7 and 8 like this. Look at A intersection B. A intersection B means look at the common numbers. The common numbers are 2 and 3 like this. 2 and 3 means this consisting of only two numbers. Intersection consisting of two numbers. Look at set A. Set A contains 4 and set B contains how many? 5. So set A contains 5 numbers. Set A contains 4 numbers. But intersection contains 2 numbers. Means intersection of any two sets should be either equal or lesser than the given sets. But here intersection has more than set A, means N of A intersection B is greater than N of A. If this is the case, then we will conclude that the given sets are not consistent. So the answer is anta baritive. Therefore, P of A and P of B are not consistently are not consistent very much like this. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ second one, 12th ಅಲ್ಲಿ second one, they have given P of A is equal to 0.5, P of B is equal to 0.4, P of A union B is equal to 0.8 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. If this is the case, now you just observe here we find union. Union may have the greater number. Just for an example, set A consisting of 4 elements, set B consisting of 5 elements. Then what about the union of two sets? A union B is equal to, the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8 like this. 3, 6, 7. So totally there are 7 numbers. Therefore, union ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ A set B set ಕಿನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬಹುದು. There is a possibilities. It is always. So, we will have like this. Here, P of A union B is greater than P of A. That is, N of A union B is greater than N of A. Also, P of A union B is greater than P of B. That is, N of A union B is greater than N of B, like this. N of B. Therefore, P of A and P of B are consistently defined or consistent ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಮು, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಮು. ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿಗಿನ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿಗಿನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. Next, number 14. P of A is equal to 3 by 5. P of B is equal to 1 by 5. Find P of A or B. A and B are mutually exclusive events. So, P of A or B is same as P of A union B. R means union and means intersection. R represents union and represents intersection. So, R andre union anta aitu. We know that P of A union B is equal to, the formula is like this, P of A, P of B minus P of A intersection B. Sets chapter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಏನಂತ ಓದಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಪಿ ಬದಲು ಎನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸೆಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎನ್ ಬದಲು ಪಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ given A and B are mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means A intersection B is equal to MP, or P of A intersection B is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Instead of giving that intersection is equal to 0, they have given A and B are mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means intersection A intersection B is equal to null set, that is empty, or P of A intersection B is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟಿವ್? A union B is equal to sample space S, exhaustive. But A intersection B is equal to empty, we call it as mutually exclusive. Now substitute, you can denote this as 1. From 1, you substitute. Left hand side, P of A union B, you keep it as it is. P of A is 3 by 5, substitute. P of B is 1 by 5, substitute, minus intersection 0, substitute. 5 is LCM, numerator is 3 plus 1. What is 3 plus 1? 4. It is 4 divided by 5. So, P of A union B is equal to 4 divided by 5. Number 15. P of E is equal to 1 by 4. P of F is equal to 1 by 2. P of E and F is equal to 1 by h. So, first one, you are required to find P of E or F. 1. Second, P of not E and not F. So, solution. Given P of E is equal to 1 by 4, P of F is equal to 1 by 2. This is P of E intersection F. And means intersection. So, and is replaced by intersection. Intersection means and. They have given it as 1 by h. Look at the first problem. Problem is to find P of E or ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ union. P of E union F is equal to, the formula is P of E plus P of F minus P of E intersection F. So this is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 2 and this is 1 by h. Have the LCM as 8, 4 2s are, 2 4s are, minus 1. This is 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. That is, you will get 5 by 8 is P of E union F. Like this. 6 minus 1 is 5. Look at the second one. Problem is to find P of not E. Not E means E dash. And means intersection. Not F means it is F dash. We know that We know that E dash intersection F dash is equal to E union F whole dash by De Morgan's law. ಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಓದಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಎಫ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಒನ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Therefore, this is union P of U union F is equal to like this. Therefore, P of E union F whole dash is equal to 1 minus P of E union F. The formula is like this. ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ P of A dash ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗಿನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, it is 1 minus P of A means P of A plus P of A dash is equal to 1 is the formula. In place of A we find E union F, that is E union F dash is same as A dash is equal to 1 minus A is same as E union F anta agirutte. So this is equal to 1 minus P of E union F. They have given it as 5 by 8. So substitute 5 by 8. Have the LCM. This is 8 minus 5 divided by 8, which is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. You will get 3 by 8 is P of E union F whole dash is 3 by 8. Next, number 17. A and B are events such that P of A is equal to 0.42, P of B is equal to 0.48. P of A and B is equal to 0.16. Determine the first one, P of not A. Second, P of not B. Third one, P of A or B, like this. So the first one, solution, given P of A 0.42, P of B 0.48, P of A and means intersection, A intersection B is equal to 0.16. These are the given terms. Look at the first one, P of not A. Not A means is denoted as A dash, that is P of A dash. P of A dash means it is 1 minus P of A. It is 1 minus. P of A means it is 0.42. You substitute. This is equal to 0.58. This is P of not A. Like this. Second one, problem is to find not B. P of not B. Not B means we denote it as P of B dash. P of B dash means it is 1 minus P of B because the formula is P of B plus P of B dash is equal to 1. Here P of A plus P of A dash is equal to 1 is the formula. So P of B dash is equal to 1 minus P of B, that is 1 minus P of B means it is 0.48. So 1 minus means you will get 0.52. This is P of not B. P of not B is 0.52. The third one, P of A or B. P of A or B is P of A union B. R stands for union. We know that P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. This is the formula. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Now substitute P of A, they have given it as 0.42 plus this is 0.48 minus intersection is 0.16. So this is, you add these two. If you add, you will get 8 plus 2, 10, 1, 8, 9, 0.90 minus 0.16, which is equal to 0.74. That is P of A union B is equal to 0.74. Like this. Look at the 18th problem. 40% of the students study mathematics. So maths, we can denote it as M. So this is P of M is equal to, this can call it as 40%. 40% is same as 40 divided by 100. 40 divided by 100, or this is same as 0.4 like this. One of the zeros get cancelled, you will get 0.4 like this. Next, 30% biology. So bio, you can denote it as B, that is M of B is equal to how much? 30%. Percent means it is always 100. So it is 30 divided by 100, you will get 0.3 like this. 10% of the class study both maths and bio. So maths and bio, you You can call it as maths and bio, we call it as intersection, that is 10%. So 10% means it is 10 divided by 100, that is 0.1, like this. So problem is to find maths or bio, that is M union B. Problem is to find M union B. R stands for union. Therefore, P of M union B is equal to, it is P of M plus P of B minus P of M intersection B is the formula. Now substitute P of M, they have given it as 0.4, this is 0.3 minus 0.1, like this. If you add these two, you will get 0.7 minus 0.1, that is 0.6, that is P of M union B is equal to 0.6, or it is same as 60%, that is 6 divided by 10 or 60 divided by 100, like this. 0.6 is same as 6 divided by 10 or 60 divided by 100. Therefore, 60% steady maths or biology. Maths or biology ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್. So today we have discussed about the fifth lecturing class of first PUC probability. It is exercise 16.3. I think you have understood well. Okay, work it out. All the best.